Bitcoin is no longer an experiment. Today, it is being bought by some of the largest institutions on the planet. But here is the question everyone wants answered. How much could one Bitcoin be worth by 2030? $200,000, $500,000, even $1 million. And what would need to happen to get there? Let's find out. The biggest reason investors are excited about Bitcoin is simple. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Unlike traditional currencies, no government can print more of it. And every 4 years, the Bitcoin halving reduces the amount of new Bitcoin entering circulation. That means supply keeps shrinking while demand continues to grow. And demand is growing fast. Major financial firms now offer Bitcoin investment products. Public companies are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, and investment funds are accumulating Bitcoin at levels that were almost unimaginable a few years ago. Why does this matter? Because institutions control trillions of dollars. Even a small percentage flowing into Bitcoin could dramatically impact its price. So where could Bitcoin be by 2030? In a conservative scenario, Bitcoin could reach around $200,000. In a bullish scenario, Bitcoin could climb between $300,000 and $500,000. And in the most optimistic case, Bitcoin could approach $1 million per coin. The logic is simple. Gold is worth tens of trillions of dollars. If Bitcoin captures a meaningful share of that value as a global store of wealth, its price could rise far beyond today's levels. But let's be realistic. Nothing is guaranteed. Regulation, economic downturns, government policies, and market sentiment could all affect Bitcoin's future. Bitcoin has experienced major crashes before, and volatility remains part of the journey. So where do I think Bitcoin could be by 2030? If adoption continues and institutional demand keeps growing, a range between $200,000 and $500,000 seems realistic. $1 million Bitcoin is possible, but it would require extraordinary global adoption. Either way, the next few years could be some of the most important in Bitcoin's history. Now I want to hear from you. What is your Bitcoin price prediction for 2030? $200,000? $500,000? Or $1 million? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.